Hello everyone and good morning. Welcome back to another video on this channel that we're going to be turning 1000 USDT into 1 million USDT. Let's just dive right into it, guys. Today is day number 7 or 8 since I can recall. And we see Bitcoin absolutely skyrocketing and breaking above this resistance line and moving towards the all-time high. So let's see if we approach it today or break it or have a rejection. But it's been going great the last hours, and also Ethereum and Solana following a similar chart. So as you see, guys, here our portfolio has been going up, um, and last night also we had some pumps from here to here, from here to here, and I compounded some profits into the actual investment. But I'm going to also compound this amount of profits right now so you can see how I do it. Okay, so I click on more, I click on edit price range, and I just don't change anything. I just move the upper limit or lower limit by 1 USDT up or down, and this gives me the option to change the price range, but I just reinvest the profits. So it's 1%. We click on adopt, we click on modify, and you see that the actual investment increased and the profit went to zero. And also our break-even price moves up to the price we reinvested the profits. Okay. And this is how we use the compounding effect to increase our investments and make even more. And that's how you're going to get to 1 million USDT. If you want to follow the strategy, I will leave a link in the description that you can go and click and copy this trading bot with all the settings I have, and you don't need to do anything else. You just put your money in, copy, trade, and you make the same amount of profits that I make. Of course, I don't have any access to that, and it's your money, it's your account. But if you're going to do something like this, please do your own research first, because none of this financial advice and never should be treated as a financial advice. Okay. If you also have never used leverage, please spend some time before you get involved with leverage trading because it's very risky. You can lose all your money. I will also leave 2 links in the description that you can find 2 good videos about how you can start with leverage trading and what are the basics of the leverage trading. Okay. That's it for the strategy itself and the price action of Bitcoin. Let's just go and track our daily equity. Okay, you see here profit today is 53.4. Extra margin is 0. Liquidation price 91,427. And we're almost 66%, 67% profit. Okay, so far. That's it for the daily equity. Here is the chart, and the more data we put in the chart, the better the chart will be looking like. Also, let's just put some compounding uh, into account. So yesterday was a great day. We had a lot of price action, so I compounded a lot of dollars. So that is like 108. Damn. So it's becoming good. And that's it for the tracking. Let's just dive right into some news. We have some great days ahead of us, guys, because on May 27th and 29th, we will be having Bitcoin Las Vegas event, which is going to be a very, very big event when it comes down to Bitcoin. I'm very excited for this, and I will be monitoring closely all the events, all the news that we're going to see on this event. Okay. One thing I want to ask you guys is that if you like this type of content, if you like this strategy that I'm running, if you like the transparency, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any daily videos that I update, and leave a comment because I'd like to see and hear your thoughts. Okay, so let's just dive right into it once again. Tesla currently holds 11,509 Bitcoin worth approximately $1.2 billion. They are the seventh largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, and yet you don't see any post of Elon Musk about Bitcoin, because I believe he doesn't want to believe anyone to believe that he speculates price or manipulates price. And that's very, very important. You can read it, but it's very, very important because soon price for Bitcoin will be out of range for the retail investors to buy it. But of course, you can always buy a fraction of it, like Satoshi is going to be very important. Australia could be forced to refund 640,000 million to Bitcoin investors after court ruling invalidates capital gains. Australia is not that friendly to Bitcoin, but eventually she will be forced, and they will be forced as well to regulate it and accept it as any country in the world. Great video from Michael Saylor on Bitcoin. Go check it out. Why Bitcoin? Is a great video. Uh, a lot of information. I'm not going to play it right now, but yeah, guys, go check it out. And also, Senator Cynthia Lummis is a huge supporter of Bitcoin, and she had this great speech of how US has to accept Bitcoin and has to be the first country, the leading country, if they want to continue having this prestige of global empire. Okay, so they have to regulate and they have to accept digital assets like Bitcoin, stable coins. So this is very good for our Bitcoin assets. Texas passes through this Bitcoin reserve bill in second reading. So very curious about this. I'm very excited about this. So soon we will see Texas having a strategic Bitcoin reserve, which is going to be huge. Great Twitter profile. This guy, if you don't follow him, go follow him. Um, very good analysis, and he talks about Bitcoin. And Bitcoin has a power relationship with gold. Gold reaped for the relationship to hold. Bitcoin must also reap 210,000 USD dollars is still my 2025 base case, but I'm open to numbers much higher. Nothing in the blue stripe would surprise me. So we see that Bitcoin correlates highly with gold price. Okay. So we have some price predictions, but we will see. Anyways, always we're going to be tracking the Bitcoin price, and we'll be compounding the profits back in so we can get to $1 million. It's going to be a big journey, but it's going to be worth it. And you're going to see me once again compounding some more profits here. 0.5%. And I'm also going to track it down. Actually, it's going to be 38. And it's going to be... Okay, good. So that's it for today, guys. Again, if you like that type of content, please leave a like below, leave a subscribe, a comment. It helps the channel, and I'm going to be daily uploading videos and giving you that type of content and show you how you can also follow this, follow me on this channel, on this 1000x challenge, which you can also make 1000x with Bitcoin and not any other crazy meme coin that can go to zero tomorrow. So even if you have 100 USDT, you can make 6 figures, or 10 USDT, you can make 5 figures. So please support the channel to grow, and I will see you tomorrow on the next one.